Right guys, welcome to a bit of a POV video. I've just talked Nana into doing a bit of a course of this area.
Didn't take me too much persuasion.
No.
I'm going to shut my window to stop the giraffe.
This might be a little bit separate video, but we're going to do some of the easier bits when John finished spraying mud at us.
He's putting his tyres through the paces, if not else, isn't he?
And his clutch.
And his clutch. The worst thing is, I'd love to go Hail Mary like that, but I don't think I could do it on like 4 or clutch.
No.
It's like, it looks epic.
But yeah, if you've not been to Binegar before, this is a 4x4 day, so type into Google 4x4 days.
Yep.
They've just done there's been a lot of work done on this site.
Tree felling and such like.
A load of oak trees or something, dead firs, I think they keep saying.
Yep. Have you said what you needed to say? Just because you're going to need to not talk for a mini second.
Yeah.
You can try and talk through this if you want, it's up to you.
Maybe that's the game.
Can you speak through this? Yeah. Perfectly controlled, by the way.
Yes.
Might not look it, but it is.
I don't normally be in the car for this, so this is an experience for me, as much as it is for you guys.
Have you not been in for this bit yet?
No.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't realise. You get a nice wheel lift around a couple of these, but this bit here is quite good fun. You haven't experienced this yet, have you?
No.
Oh. Ready?
Yep.
Oh no, I've hit the rock. I've been trying to avoid that rock. I think that was the slider, not the car.
Do you want to do diagonal?
Diagonal? Oh,
Over
yeah,
there?
yeah. Is there a car up there at the moment?
Don't look like it.
Okie dokie dokie. No specific routes for the most part. You just go around and do what you like.
Check out 4x4 days. They have dates and everything. Facebook page, I believe.
Yeah, they release them sort of monthly.
Mike and Adrian, absolute top guys. Top guys.
Certainly are. Ready?
Steady. Hold on tight, everyone.
I'm never going to get used to seeing sky and then seeing, you know.
Then seeing the lack of runoff.
Yeah, pretty much. It's quite sketchy, I can't lie.
I don't know if you can go down one of these other ones.
I can't see where the hill is though, that's the issue. I could get out and look, but I can't from, you know what I mean?
From here.
I thought this bit I wouldn't be able to see, but I could see better than I thought. These Paul's having a good mosey round as well.
Indeed.
It's got one of these hills.
Yep. Up one, down one.
Up one, down one.
But then maybe round the water, potentially.
Yeah.
Nice, short and sweet to some degree.
Indeedy. Ready?
Holding on to the Jesus handle.
It's not too bad to be fair.
Nah, this one's not too bad.
That's where John's been launching quite a lot down there, isn't it? Oh, you wanted me to go down one, didn't you?
Yeah, well, but you can soon. You can go up again and round and down, or you can turn around here.
I'll spin around there.
The choices with this site, as you can tell, are absolute endless.
Yeah.
There is so many different routes, and it's good for smaller cars. It is quite rocky, so if you do catch it, it is quite harsh, but you can take standard cars around here. I think there is a couple of standard looking cars by the look of it.
Yeah.
But you really get to test what your car can and can't do, that sort of thing. It's okay, the car will start up halfway down.
Yeah. I wanted to use hill descent and it just stalled instead. That was not my plan.
I call that style. Halfway down, you've started the car. Obviously, all your hard work.
Obviously planned. Do you know what I know what I'm going to do?
Yeah.
I got an idea.
Oh no, it's going to go wrong, people.
It won't.
Brace.
That's not what I wanted. I wanted to go back up there. Sorry, I'm losing it.
Welcome to Alana's indecision.
No, it wasn't that. I forgot that I wanted to go back up here, not down there.
You do almost need a map to somehow get your bearings of this site sometimes.
That was exactly what just happened. I just lost my bearings a little bit.
But yeah, there's a few more extra routes that have opened up, and there's even some real steep stuff for your enthusiasts, I think you would call it.
For your people with testicles that are larger than ours.
Yes.
I don't know, I probably could drive around that bit.
But yeah, absolute mega site, especially on a day like today. Sunny, warm, no wind, we're blessed.
It's a beautiful day.
It is. But yeah, this is the Freelander 2 off-road group annual meetup. We do this once a year. Joel's the admin of the group, keeps organising this year after year, so thank you, Joel.
Indeed. trying to avoid that massive branch.
Oh, parking sensor's been on.
Yeah, they keep turning themselves back on every time, obviously, I start the car up, which is quite annoying, but alas, it is what it is.
Watch for the branch.
That's a heifer, isn't
It is. That'll go through a window.
Wouldn't it? Go through the chocolate milkshake. Keep just a nice amount of throttle, because I don't want to be getting stuck in this.
Not really.
As much as you've got your wellies on, that's quite, it's quite draggy mud, isn't it?
It's quite chocolate mud.
It looks like a chocolate milkshake.
Yes.
I wouldn't want to drink it, can't lie. At least the car's dirty.
Definitely. Are you going up there?
Yep. That is my plan. Have a little gander, just check there's no one up there. See what I mean about how, what's it is?
Yes.
Nearly overshot it.
I might have noticed a little bit.
I recovered it, come on, cut
Yeah,
me
you
some slack.
did.
Ready for the underbody protection to get a good feel the wheel.
Yeah. It's quite cool. There you go.
Tilty.
Very tilty.
Help Scott's driving. One practice start, you're doing good.
Well, what? Might have a couple more at this part.
What, practice starts?
Yeah.
No, you'll be fine. Nail the throttle, you'll be fine. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. That was a good one. Whoa, I'm falling.
Are you falling?
Maybe.
Cool.
Right hand down.
try and go backwards.
You'll be alright.
Well, it's more trying to do a hill start.
Oh, wheel lift.
Were you filming?
No. Do you go sort of, yeah, that like that? Wow, that's an angle. Power. Power.
Yeah. Finished. But yeah, that's a little exploration of this site. There is still tons more. There's a massive whacking great big downhill bit.
Yeah, we've not been ballsy enough to do that just yet.
I was going to say you can do various different lines and everything like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, people, and keep an eye out for more future videos. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next video, and splat, I guess.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, it's an angle.